Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour of Price Smart that's it straight ahead on Red Hills Road. They recently opened a second location in Portmore, but this was the first location they opened in Jamaica. They only have two, so we're going to take a tour of it. We're going to drive through. Okay, so Price Smart now, it's like a wholesale club. It's similar to Sam's or BJ's in the US, where you pay a membership and then you can shop in the store. And of course they sell items in bulk. Very, very popular store in Jamaica. Now the store did so well that they had to put in additional parking. So they actually have a parking garage on top of where we are. So we're going to check out everything down here. The main entrance to the store is on the right. But we're going to check out the parking garage first. The upper level parking garage. This is the lower level. Today is a Sunday, but as you get closer to the end of the month, this is a very busy place. And the store is actually very nice. So this is the upper level where you see that click and go sign. That is where you can order the goods online, and then you come up here and park and they bring everything to you. Hopefully they'll expand into other parishes. Kind of surprised that they built the store in Portmore before Montego Bay, because Montego Bay is the second city, but Portmore is actually a very populated area. It's just that the Portmore store is closer to the Kingston store, and if it was in Montego Bay, you'd have the entire western part of the island. But nonetheless, they built it in Portmore second, and I'm sure eventually they'll expand to probably Mandeville and Montego Bay. Now the membership, I think it's like 4,000 or 5,000 Jamaican, which is about 25, probably 30 US. The membership fees in the US for like BJ's or Sam's, if anybody knows what those fees are, you can leave a message in the comment section. Alright, so we're exiting back out to Red Hills Road. So this is Price Smart. So we're back on Red Hills Road now. I was just wondering, I wonder which store is bigger, the Kingston store or the Portmore store. If anybody knows, you can leave the Price Mart store in Kingston and the Price Mart store in Portmore. If you know which one is bigger in terms of square foot, you can leave a message in the comment section below and we can use it in an upcoming video. I know that when the store opened in Price Mart, they got so many customers signing up in the first weekend, far more than what signed up for the Kingston store when it opened. But you also have St. Catherine is a very populated parish. You have Spanish Town, you have Portmore, Old Harbour, but persons from as far as Clarendon, Maypen came in to use that store in St. Catherine, in Portmore. Well, Portmore is in St. Catherine. You saw the cars with the jacked up on the side of the road. That's a tire shop. I don't know if that's how they do it in other countries too, but the jack up on the car on the side of that's the tire shop, you know, where they just use the road to do their work. I guess it works. Okay, so that's Lee's Food Fair straight ahead. On the right is Burger King. On the left you'll take, that's Elizabeth Avenue, and that leads you back to West Avenue, which is right by Constant Spring Road.